Let's face it, people, there's a certain something about a luxury car. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a lifestyle, and a statement all rolled into one. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. When you see a luxury car gliding down the street, it commands attention. The sleek lines, the polished exterior, the aura of sophistication, it all speaks volumes. It's not just about getting from A to B, it's about the journey, the comfort and the prestige that comes with it. Imagine driving through a scenic route, the world passing by in a blur, while you sit in the lap of luxury. The plush seats, the advanced technology, the seamless integration of performance and elegance, it's an experience like no other. It's a statement. A statement that says, I've arrived, maybe even get out of my way. When you pull up to a high-end event in a luxury car, you're not just arriving, you're making an entrance. The heads turn, the whispers start, and for a moment, all eyes are on you. It's a feeling of power, of success, of having made it. A luxury car is a symphony of leather, technology, and raw power. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship with every detail meticulously designed to provide the utmost comfort and convenience. The dashboard is a marvel of modern technology with every control at your fingertips. And then there's the engine, a beast of raw power ready to roar to life at the slightest touch. It's the feeling of sinking into a heated seat on a cold morning. The warmth envelops you, making you forget the chill outside. It's a small luxury, but one that makes a world of difference. It's these little details that set a luxury car apart from the rest. The roar of the engine that sends shivers down your spine. It's a sound that speaks of power, of speed, of the thrill of the open road. It's a reminder that beneath the polished exterior lies a machine built for performance. It's a symphony of power and precision, a testament to the engineering marvel that is a luxury car. It's a head-turner, a conversation starter. Wherever you go, people notice, they admire, they inquire, they dream. A luxury car is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a symbol of aspiration, a topic of conversation, a piece of art on wheels. But here's the thing, owning a luxury car is a commitment. It's not just about the initial purchase. It's about the upkeep, the maintenance, the care that goes into preserving its pristine condition. It's about understanding the responsibility that comes with owning such a masterpiece. It's about understanding what you're getting into. The research, the comparisons, the test drives, it's all part of the process. You need to know what you're looking for, what features matter to you. What makes one model stand out from the rest? It's a journey of discovery, of finding the perfect match for your lifestyle and preferences, and it all starts with one crucial thing, being prepared. Knowing what you want, what you need, and what you're willing to invest. It's about making informed decisions, understanding the long-term commitment, and being ready to embrace the luxury lifestyle. So buckle up, petrol heads. We're about to embark on a journey into the world of luxury cars. A world where every detail matters, where performance meets elegance, and where the journey is just as important as the destination. It's a world of excitement, of challenges, of rewards. Get ready to navigate the twists and turns of this exciting and often daunting terrain. From the thrill of the open road to the satisfaction of a well-maintained machine, the world of luxury cars is one of endless possibilities. So let's dive in and explore what makes these vehicles more than just cars. Let's discover the passion, the craftsmanship, and the sheer joy of driving a luxury car. All right, let's talk numbers. When it comes to luxury cars, the initial price tag is just the tip of the iceberg. It's easy to get swept away by the allure of owning a high-end vehicle, but there's a lot more to consider than just the sticker price. You've seen the sticker price on that shiny new Mercedes or BMW. It's a number that can make your heart race with excitement. But that number is just the beginning of your financial journey, but hold your horses because that's just the beginning. Owning a luxury car is like having a high-maintenance partner. It's going to cost you. Beyond the initial purchase, there are numerous hidden costs that can add up quickly. We're talking insurance, fuel, maintenance, and the dreaded depreciation. Each of these factors can significantly impact your overall cost of ownership. Insurance on a luxury car? Let's just say it's not for the faint of heart. Premiums are often much higher than those for standard vehicles, reflecting the higher value and repair costs associated with luxury cars. Fuel costs, those high-performance engines don't run on hopes and dreams. They require premium fuel, which can be significantly more expensive than regular gasoline. Over time, these costs can add up, especially if you drive frequently. And maintenance, forget your local mechanic. You'll be on a first-name basis with the dealership service manager. Regular maintenance and repairs for luxury cars can be costly, often requiring specialized parts and labor. Depreciation is the silent killer. That expensive beauty loses value faster than you can say depreciation. Luxury cars tend to depreciate more quickly than their non-luxury counterparts, meaning you could lose a significant portion of your investment in just a few years. So before you sign on the dotted line, do your homework. Understand the true cost of ownership. Research the specific model you're interested in and consider all the associated costs. Look into insurance rates, fuel efficiency, and maintenance schedules. Your wallet will thank you later. By being informed and prepared, you can make a decision that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. Owning a luxury car can be a rewarding experience, but it's important to go into it with your eyes wide open. The allure of luxury cars is undeniable. The plush interiors, advanced technology, and superior performance are all part of the package. But remember, these features come at a cost. Driving a luxury car can be an exhilarating experience. The smooth ride, powerful engine, and cutting-edge features make every journey a pleasure. However, it's essential to balance this enjoyment with a realistic understanding of the financial commitment involved. When considering a luxury car, it's also worth comparing different models and brands. Some may offer better value for money, with lower depreciation rates or more affordable maintenance costs. Take the time to explore your options and find the best fit for your needs and budget. Financing is another critical aspect to consider. Luxury cars often come with higher interest rates and shorter loan terms. It's crucial to understand the terms of your financing agreement and how it will impact your overall cost of ownership. Incorporating the cost of a luxury car into your monthly budget is essential. Ensure you account for all expenses, including insurance, fuel, maintenance, and loan payments. This will help you avoid any financial surprises down the road. Ultimately, owning a luxury car can be a fulfilling experience, offering a blend of comfort, performance, and prestige. By understanding the true cost of ownership and planning accordingly, you can enjoy the benefits without compromising your financial well-being. So as you embark on your journey to own a luxury car, remember to do your due diligence. Research, plan, and budget wisely. This way, you can make an informed decision that brings you joy and satisfaction for years to come. The road ahead is yours to explore. With the right preparation and understanding, you can navigate the true cost of luxury car ownership and enjoy the ride. The world of luxury cars is a crowded and competitive one. From German precision to Japanese reliability, from American muscle to British sophistication, the choices are endless and varied. So, how do you choose? Research, my friends, read car reviews, scour the internet, talk to owners. Each brand has its own personality, its own quirks and unique features. Do you crave the sportiness of a Porsche, the elegance of a Jaguar, the tech-savvy brilliance of a Tesla? Consider your lifestyle and daily needs. Are you a city slicker or a country squire? Do you need space for the family, or are you a lone wolf on the open road? The right car is out there waiting for you, but you need to know exactly what you're looking for. Okay, you've narrowed down your choices. You've spent countless hours researching, comparing, and maybe even test driving a few models. Now you're at the point where you need to make a decision. But how do you choose the perfect luxury car that fits your lifestyle and meets all your expectations? It's time to dive into the essential features that will make or break your decision. Now it's time to get down to the nitty-gritty, the features. These are the elements that will define your driving experience and set your car apart from the rest. From the moment you step inside, you should feel a sense of opulence and sophistication. Let's explore what makes a luxury car truly luxurious. Because let's be honest, a luxury car is all about the experience. First up, interior comfort. This is where you'll spend most of your time. So it needs to be nothing short of extraordinary. The seats should cradle you in comfort. The materials should be top-notch. And the overall ambience should make you feel like you're in a five-star hotel on wheels. We're talking buttery soft leather seats, the kind that make you want to sink in and never get out. The leather should be supple and smooth, offering a tactile experience that screams luxury. It's not just about looks, it's about how it feels every time you sit down. Heated and ventilated, of course. These features ensure that you're comfortable, no matter the weather. Imagine driving on a cold winter morning and feeling the warmth radiate through the seats, or on a hot summer day, the cool ventilation keeping you refreshed. It's these little touches that make a big difference. Massage functions? Why not? After a long day, there's nothing better than a relaxing massage, and having that built into your car seat is the epitome of luxury. It's like having a personal masseuse on call, ready to ease your stress and tension as you drive. A panoramic sunroof that lets you soak in the sunshine. This feature not only brightens up the interior, but also gives you a sense of openness and freedom. Whether you're driving through the city or cruising along a scenic route, the panoramic sunroof enhances your connection with the outside world. And don't forget the sound system. A high-quality audio system is a must-have in any luxury car. It should deliver crystal clear sound, deep bass, and an immersive listening experience. Whether you're a fan of classical music, rock, or podcasts, the sound system should make you feel like you're in a concert hall. You'll want something that can blow the doors off a concert hall. Then there's the technology. In today's world, a luxury car isn't complete without cutting-edge tech features. These are the gadgets and systems that make your drive more convenient, safer, and more enjoyable. Navigation systems that can predict traffic jams before they happen. Imagine never being stuck in traffic again because your car's navigation system reroutes you to avoid congestion. It's like having a personal traffic assistant guiding you to your destination with ease. Heads-up displays that project vital information onto the windshield. This feature allows you to keep your eyes on the road while still getting important information like speed, navigation directions, and even incoming calls. It's a seamless integration of technology and safety features that would make a tank jealous. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, these features are designed to protect you and your passengers. They provide peace of mind knowing that your car is equipped with the latest safety technology to keep you safe on the road. Remember, this is your sanctuary on wheels. It's not just a mode of transportation, it's a place where you can relax, unwind, and enjoy the journey. Every feature should contribute to that sense of sanctuary, making your drive as pleasant and stress-free as possible. Make sure it's equipped with everything you need to make your journey as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. From the seats to the sound system, the technology to the safety features, every detail matters. Take your time, explore your options, and choose the luxury car that offers the perfect blend of comfort, technology, and style. After all, you deserve nothing but the best.